Assalamu alaikum students. Most of you are familiar with me. I am Ms. Abda Janjua, your English teacher, and I am here today to give you something to spend your free time, which you have in plenty nowadays, in a creative way. That is the writing practice. Most of the students have problem with writing, but the students who are being promoted from grade 3 to 4 are especially, they have to face this problem in a special way, because they have to be converted from the 4-line notebook to a single-line notebook, which is a problem for them for as far as the letter formation is concerned and as far as the gap between the words is concerned. So I am here to guide you about it. There are 3 types of letters: sky letters, grass letters, and root letters. This is how you write them in the 4-line notebook. Like this is A, B, C, D, and E. Then suppose you are writing words. This is the gap that I have left you to tell you how to leave gap between the words. F, G, H, I, and J. Then K, L, M, N, and O. So you see, there is no gap between the letters, but there is a proper gap between the words. There is one way how to measure the proper gap between the words, that is your pencil. Put your pencil after every word and check whether you are leaving a proper gap or not. That is the proper gap that should be there between 2 words. Now we'll see how to write on the single line notebook, and that is A. Now you consider it to be the 3rd line of the 4 lines. All the sky letters will come above the line. All the grass letters will come till the middle of these sky letters, like this C. Look at the size of C. And then D and E. Then F, G, H, I, and J. Look at the size of J and look at the root letters. The root letters will not, all of them will not go below the line. Only the head of the letter will be on top of the line, and then the rest of the letter will go below the line. I, J, and then K, L, M, N, and O. So these are the basic rules how to improve your writing. If you keep in mind all these basic points about handwriting, you will improve your handwriting a lot. Now write a page every day and mail it to me on my email address janjua525@gmail.com. I will check and give you feedback about your improvement. See you soon after the holidays with a much improved handwriting, hopefully. Thank you.